Hi friends, I am Karthik Ravindra Kate, student of final BSc 6th sem, that is in Karnataka Science College, Dharwad. This is my second video on rotational spectroscopy. In last video, I derived the expression for rigid body rotator, the energy and the in terms of wave number. And I have written those expressions in my blackboard, that is green board. Here, see, from last class, I derived expression for moment of inertia I is equal to mu r naught square and I have given one star. And followed by, I derived the expression for wave number and it is given by b into j into j plus 1. I have given 2 stars. And we know that selection rule, that is for allowed transition, the selection rule is delta j is equal to plus or minus 1 in rotational spectroscopy. Based on this assumption, I have substituted j is equal to 0, I got one value, that is 0. If I substitute j is equal to 2, I got another value, that is j is equal to c. I substitute j is equal to 0, I got mu naught 0 as 0 in equation double star. I substitute j is equal to 1, I got mu1 is equal to 2b. And I substitute j is equal to 2, I got 6b. I substitute j is equal to 3, I got 12b. From these values, I plotted a graph of wave number that is having per centimeter unit and these values as followed. And I got a graph like this. If I going to excite the molecules from j is equal to 0 to 1. I can only excite the molecule from 0 to 1, not from 1 to 2. Why? Because from selection rule, delta j is equal to plus or minus 1. That is, plus means absorption, minus for emission. See, from 0 to 1, this is plus 1. Absorption. The molecule absorbs the energy and jumps from j is equal to 0 to j is equal to 1. If the molecule, the excited molecule jumps from j is equal to 1 to 0, this is delta j will be minus 1. This is emission. Similarly, I can do transition from j is equal to 1 to j is equal to 2 because plus or minus 1. And also I can do from j is equal to 2 to j is equal to 3 plus or minus 1. But I can't do from 1 to 3 because it is not allowed. I do only those which are allowed transitions. From here it is clear that see, this is mu0, this is mu1, mu2 and mu3. The difference between mu1 and mu2, delta mu naught. I am calling it delta mu naught. Delta mu naught. The difference between mu1 and mu2. It is 2b. I have written there. And the mu2 and mu1, delta mu1, the difference is nothing but 4b. That is, delta mu1 is nothing but 4b. And also I got delta mu3 minus delta mu2 is nothing but, mu3 minus mu2 is nothing but delta mu2 and this is 6b. Further, I will get 8b, 10b, 12b. If I plot the graph, and the derivation for this I have derived in last class, and this is I am substituting values and I am moving further with the graph. See, if I plot a graph, say for this from transition from 0 to 1. If I transition from 0 to 1, the value is 2b. Say this is 2b from 0 to 1. 0 to 1, that is j is equal to 0 to j is equal to 1. If I move further, the value will be, see, this is 2b. The value will be 4b. That is, from 1 to 2, the value will be 4b. That is, from 1 to 2, the value will be, see, 1 to 2, the value will be 4b. Similarly, I move further. From 2 to 3, the value will be 6b. See, if the transition takes from 2 to 3, the value will be 6b. Further, 8b, 10b, 12b, 14b, 16b. If I see the distance, see, this is 2b, 4b. The difference is 2b. This is 6b, 4b. The difference is 2b. This is 6b, 8b. The difference is 2b. The lines are equally spaced. The spacing between the lines are equal. See, 2b, 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 2b. Those are equally spaced. If I extend these lines, I will get a graph like this. 2b, and it will be having higher intensity compared to this. And this line will be having higher intensity compared to this. And this line little higher. And this little higher. Further, there will be decrease in intensity. And they will ask us what is the reason for this intensity. But the spacing remains constant, that is 2b, 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 2b. And the intensity will be increasing, and further as J value increases, the intensity will be decreasing. Why? This is explained on based on Boltzmann's distribution law. He tells that greater the population of molecules in energy level, greater will be the transition. Greater the transition, greater will be the intensity. Based on this, as J value increases, the molecular density, transition of molecular density will be more, hence intensity will be less. As J value keeps on increasing, the intensity keeps on decreasing because the density, molecular density in excited state will be less. So I will get the graph like this. It is based on Boltzmann distribution law, that he tells that intensity is directly proportional to Nj upon N0, and Nj upon N0 is given by 2j plus 1 into, that is 2j plus 1 into e raised to minus e upon ej upon kt, where k is a Boltzmann constant, e is a temperature at the experiment, and ej is energy, and e is a exponential 2j plus 1 degenerate factor. The intensity is directly proportional to Nj upon N0. If I plot a graph upon, see, this is intensity, that is Nj upon N0 versus J. Initially the intensity will be less. Further, as J value increases, the intensity also increases. See, intensity was low, J value was low. As J value increases, intensity increases. It increases. At point say J is equal to 5 to 6 transition, it starts decreasing. I get a graph like this. Initially the intensity will be increasing at some value J, till that it will be increasing. Further increasing J value, there will be decrease in the intensity. So I got graph like this. This is the end of the expression. I derived the expression for I is equal to mu into R0 square, mu bar B into J plus 1, and delta mu 2B into J plus 1. J value is quantum number, J can have value 0, 1, 2, 3, B is a constant, rotational constant. Further, I didn't tell you the application of this. If we get delta mu is nothing but 2B into J plus 1. If for transition from 0 to 1, delta J will be 0 to 1. For first transition, J will be 0. The value of 2B is equal to delta mu. Delta mu I got. If they in exams, if they give delta mu value is for first transition, it will be equal to 2B. From this, I will get the value of B. Once I get the value of B, and I have the formula that B is equal to h upon 8 pi square IC, which is, I have explained this while deriving. H is a Boltzmann, H is a constant, and it is given by h upon 8 pi square IC. I have explained. If you have not got, again you see the last video, you will get the expression for B. Once you got expression for B, see, in form experiment we have got delta mu for first transition. For first transition, J will be 0. If J will be 0, then delta mu is equal to 2B. And I have got experiment using delta mu value. If we got this value, I can determine B is nothing but this divided by 2. Once I determine the value of B, I can substitute B here and I can determine I value. I is equal to h upon 8 pi square BC. Because all are constant, I have got the value of B and I can determine I value. Once I determine I value, further see from here I is equal to mu into R0 square. Mu is, if we are testing for HCl, I know mu. For H it is M1 and Cl it is M2. I can determine mu, that is M1 M2 divided by M1 plus M2, reduced mass. Once I find reduced mass and also I know the I can easily determine or not. This is the importance of this derivation, the whole class. I have derived the expression and I have explained the applications of it. And I need to solve few problems so that you will be clear what kind of questions they will ask and how we should determine the R naught, that is bond length of the molecule. In my next video I am going to solve a problem and it will be clear for you. Thank you.